Good morning student. Now we are going to discuss about chapter 1 Introduction to Macroeconomics. Already we studied the microeconomics in 11th standard level. So in 12th standard level we can study about the macroeconomics. Why we study macroeconomics? The macroeconomics it give explanation to study about the evolution of the macroeconomics, to study about importance of macroeconomics and what are the basic concept of macroeconomics. Last one, functioning of an economy. So these are all very important to study about macroeconomics. Then introduction. So the economics it classified into two branches. First one microeconomics, second one macroeconomics. What is microeconomics? Microeconomics it deals about the individual firm, the individual industry, the individual household. Micro means small. Then macroeconomics. What is macroeconomics? The macroeconomics is study about aggregate level, aggregate employment, aggregate interest and aggregate income. So this level the macroeconomics it give explanation. Then the Ragnar Frisch, who was he? He was a Norwegian economist. He coined the two words micro and macro. So for his contribution he received first Nobel Prize in the economics in the year 1933. J.M. Keynes, he was popular economics in modern period. He collected some ideas and information about employment, interest and money. Then he wrote one book, The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money. So this book he published in 1936. The Great Depression 1930. So when did occur the Great Depression? So this depression it was occurred in the year 1930. So what happened during this period? The goods and commodity not sold to consumer because no income in the hands of consumer. Then no work to the employers and workers. But the J.M. Keynes he offered an explanation to macroeconomics. For his contribution he was called as father of modern macroeconomics. Then meaning of macroeconomics. The word macro it derived from the Greek word macros. Macro means large. For that I put the letter L. L means large. What is macroeconomics? The macroeconomics it studies about behavior and performance of an economy as a whole. So the sentence as a whole is very important. So this word it explain the macroeconomics. In other words, the macroeconomics it studies aggregate national income. What is national income? The national income it is refers to total money value of all final goods and services which are produced in a country during a particular period of time, particular period which mean 1 year. Then employment. What is employment? A person who are able and willing to work, then they can find a job. It is known as employment. Then investment. The investment is very important. It is necessary to operate all the economic activities. The investment it refers to the purchase of stock and shares, debentures and equities. Then output from industry. The small size, medium size and large size industry they are producing the goods and commodity. The produced goods are called output.